Hello guys, happy summer right now. I'm Survivor Gamer. If you're new to this channel, please make a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay? And then now, I'm gonna show you how I like Survivor because it's the summertime. I'm gonna show all my screenshots. Okay? So look, in my folder, you see I had a lot of screenshots. Look, like wins, modes, and something. See it, look at I'm first place. And look at my teammate, he's making a ghost emote. And right now I'm making a happy ghost to make him smile, and he made an alien face. And look at the minigun. And in this round, I got a gun, emotes, and holding a Groza S. As you look through, each picture I give you I'll give you 3 seconds. Look at it. When in this picture, I found 3 airdrops. So this is a guy with an angry face. My potato modes. Look at potato cannon. A picture with the cast iron skin. Look, it's so huge. A picture of Spud Gun with an Naginata. I can't even spell it. Tell in the comments if you know how to spell the sword over here. Okay? Look at how much I have screenshots. This is a picture of Lieutenant, Lone Survivor, Commander, Lone Survivor again. All my teammates are all the leaders. Here, look, he's making a troll face. So this is another Lone Survivor and a assault, Emperor Seal skin, the Jester Foster in potato mode. I have the Spud Gun Kirky and the Emperor A1S. And this picture I have the QBB. And in this skin I have the USAS and the L86A2. And this picture I have Bonza. This is another picture in potato mode. And these 2 pictures I have 2 machine guns. So I want to ask you something. Have you ever found a M249 in classic mode in the Hydra bunker with hatchet case? It happened to me once when my teammate was chasing me and he got the M249. Did it happen to you? Tell in the comments where that happened to you or not. So I created a bad player here. Look, I found the cast iron skin. I made it as the king. Look, see, look at. Did you see that V on top? It's like the king. And some hot grenades. This picture, I found a PKP positioning in the tea house or in the ring clubhouse. The ring clubhouse is like the big red house where there is a bunker where there's like a pool there and a safe. And then on top, there's a lot of rooms. And the tea house, you see that on the bottom? Yeah, my mouse cursor. This is another player's picture. This is with these are my new skins and gameplays. Tell in the comments if you where'd that picture go? If you like this picture, where that Woods King is. And these are all my pictures. A medic holding the arms. And I'm trying to pretend that was I am the king. See, look, I'm in the middle of the hut. Yeah, donut leader. My boogler with QBB and PKP punching. The medic again, boogler. Have you ever happened this to you? In this picture, my teammate is the leader and he's keep on freezing. I don't know why. Sometimes like boogler leader freezes. Nobody knows why. Tell in the comments why they always freeze. I'm holding a pan with the lieutenant helmet. Oops, that's just a meeting in Zoom I got from a screenshot in someone's. This is a fellow holding a spade. And this is me, I won. So I was trying to spell PKP pooping, but it's just PKP ... ing. I'm holding DP, the skin, and the bone saw thing. Okay, happy summer. I hope you enjoy this video. For all my screenshots, bye. I still want to talk to you. Another question. Have you ever found an M79 in a clubhouse? It happened to me 3 times. And then some ammo crates have the M79, which is the light blue one here. Do you see it? See, look. The M79, when you walk, it's not like so. It's heavy. You only can walk slowly, like the minigun. If it's like a shotgun, PKP, or M249, you walk faster a bit. Okay, happy summer. Bye. I hope you enjoy.